Hello everyone, how to totes back with another app review video. So in this video I'm going to tell you a app review. It's called Deal Meal South Asian Dating. So basically it is created for South Asian people, but you can also use this app from around the world. So here you can see the rating of the app 4.6 out of 5 and 12k reviews. It means 12,000 people write something about this app. The size of the app 54 megabyte and 1 million plus people already downloaded this app. Okay, so here you can see some a screenshot. Match with South Asian singles, chat with real verified profile, and see who's already liked you, and meal and chill, and filters based on cultural preference. So you can also use or give your biodata here: gender, age, height, religion, location, community, and profile prompts. You can also set your profile, and if you match, then you can start talking with them. So here you can see some about this app: leading South Asian singles dating and marriage app, the first dating app that lets you skip swiping and start chatting. Community chat just got better. And here is some feature you can read. It's all things are available here. The app is released 2015, and they're updating every month. And we'll see some reviews and ratings, what people actually say. One positive rating reviews: Dilmil handled my request very professionally and offered a very satisfying outcome. Thank you for 5-star service. And you can see some negative reviews. We'll see the short negative reviews. You can see I opened the app and filled in my phone number, but when I filled in my name next and hit the button to go to the next question, it was frozen and didn't work. So I had to close the app without finishing my registration account. So it's not totally negative reviews. She was unable to create account, and they're supportive, their responsiveness. Here you can see if you have any problem, then you should let them know. They will fix the problem, and they give the email ID also. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching the video.